Proofreading Summary button helps you to identify the most critical errors in your document quickly and easily. Click on the Proofreading Summary button and Lexis Draft will examine your document and summarize where errors occur. Items with a green tick have no errors. Items with a yellow warning marker have errors which can be easily fixed. Items with a red triangle could be critical errors. Go through these items first, review each item and amend if necessary. For term risks, Lexis Draft is looking for capitalized words which may require a definition. In most cases, you can simply click on the Reviewed button. This tells Lexis Draft not to look at them again if you review the document again. Therefore, when you run Lexis Draft over a document for the first time, the review process may take longer than the subsequent reviews.